Thanks to the benefit plan for those sunglasses.
Thank you very much, Local 30. Much appreciated.
They are prescription, of course, right?
Yes, they are.
We can see the little critters on the beach right now. Little reptiles. What did you bring to feed them?
Some cabbage and green beans.
Okay. Don't give it to them until I tell you to, okay? I want you surrounded.
I'll be giving it.
Don't be caught like you did with the pigs. I'll let you know.
Yeah, okay.
She's got to trust me. Ready for this. I don't want to get my feet wet. That's fine right there. Okay. What the hell's that? It's off a, oh, it's a pontoon off a Hobie. A broken, yeah. Stuff washes up on shore. Stuff washes up on shore all the time, right? That could have come from Europe. We don't know. Yeah. Stuff travels across the ocean all the time. Fact is, it's nobody's problem to clean it up. And the Bahamians just don't have the infrastructure, the money to do that. Later on, you'll see when we're on the Atlantic side, of these islands, there's quite a bit of garbage on the plastic on the beaches. Yeah, you know, when ships sink, they give up their the ship breaks open, cracks. And then the stuff washes up on shore because the wind blows to the east, blah blah blah, and then, but it's not the shipping company's fault. They don't have to clean it up. Yeah, it's a big deal.
No, John, you do it. You're getting the stick all wet. It's getting stuck in the sand.
That's what happens when you got a long stick.
That one looks like it's taking a crap.
Sandy, I told you. Wait. Oh my God. Like you're gonna do the same thing with the pigs. Look at it. Look at it.
Getting in there.
Get in there closer.
No.
Come on, don't you love me?
No.
If you loved me, you would get in there closer.
I don't, John, so there you go.
Did you bring carrots?
No.
Like you said you were going to bring carrots.
I know,
You're
and
cheap.
And I
You
changed.
were so cheap.
I changed my mind. I went with the cabbage instead of the carrots.